Hello mga ka-cherries and welcome back to our channel. It's me again, your Tita Cherry. And of course, our crispy pata for today's video mga ka-cherries. Good morning. Ayan. Ayan po siya mga ka-cherries. Pa-cellphone lang po siya for today's video. So this is our second day here in Tbilisi, Georgia. And of course, magkakaroon pa rin po tayo ng tour for today. Pupunta po tayo sa, Kakheti. Today we're going to conquer Kakheti. Wine, wine tasting po tayo ngayon mga ka-cherries. And I'm so excited. Ayan, mga for today's video, OOTD natin. Kunwari, char. Ako po si Ate Kim Atienza for today's video. Hinihintay na lang po natin ngayon yung ating tour guide. So, pagdating nila dito, kasi ang call time namin is 9 or 9:30. And tapos na po kaming mag-breakfast. So, bukas, hindi ko sure kung saan kami bukas, mga ka-cherries. Pero for today, full tour po siya sa Kakheti. Cherries, quick tour lang po tayo dito sa labas ng hotel. Ito po yung labas nila. Yan. Pwede kayong tambay-tambay dito. Nag-request daw po siya na isama ko siya sa video, mga ka-cherries. Smoking area. As usual. Ayun yung crispy pata. Yan. Ito po yung ating labas. Yan. Ay, tingnan nyo yung mga stray dogs nila dito, mga ka-cherries. Super babait ng mga animals nila. Ito po yung labas ng building. Yes. Yan. While waiting, let's just take a quick view of the hotel. This is Hotel Biography, City Hotel. According kay Ate Guide kahapon si Nata, this is a new building. This is a new hotel. I think this is 4-star hotel. Ayan na po si Crispy Pata Joy. Still waiting. Cherries, mukhang andyan na po yung tour guide natin for today's video. So, let's go na mga ka-cherries. Nakawalimutan natin yung ating microphone. So,
hello.
Hi.
Factory?
Yes.
Cherry and Christina.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Please have a seat.
Okay, team, this is our bus for today's video. So, hi! Did well? Yeah.
Look yourself in the water like
We did have a little sip of wine or what?
Titira natin pera mga kapatid.
Ito na lang pang budget niya. Sa tatlong araw pa po namin travels. May mga ilang pa po kayaan. $200
$100 and $40
and AED. Yan lang po. Ito po yung bag namin ngayon. Sponsored by me, of course. Ito, 1,500 AED. It's the brand is, it's an Italian brand. Fresh from New York. Yes. It's look like a sack bag, but it's not. Virtual Galeto, New York. See sa ating yan po ang ating bag for today. Ang ating panda, sponsored by Mama Mel. Oh, di ba, pak ganun. Ito po siya. Taba-taba po ng mukha niya. Oh. Focus po natin ang kanyang kilay na bagong gawa. Ayan. Pak. Ito po yung dalawa namin mga kasama. Hindi ko pala munta na sila. Saan sila ng mundo galing. Ayan, ito po yung labas. Sinintay lang po namin yung aming mga driver at ang tour guide. Ito po ka-cherry ang harap ng aming hotel. I think there's a bakery there or something. They're selling like a bread. And papalang po kami dito sa sakyan. Hotel pa lang po kami. Ang pangalan po pala ng hotel namin. Ano pangalan ng hotel natin?
Biography Hotel.
Ayan, ang Biography Hotel. Kaya kung gusto niyo magpunta ng Tbilisi, maganda din naman ang hotel. Bagong gawa lang siya, wala pa siyang 10 taon. So, ayun. Actually, ano, ating OOT dito din ngayon is, ano ito, pang Heredera. Tara, char, char, char.
Kung Heredera.
Ang ating cup po. May tato-tato siyang dragon. Worth of, ano pa ito? Dito ko na po siya nabili.
Worth of 5 lari.
Mga 25, I think. 25. The glasses. It's, yeah, guess po siya. Oh, guess. Guess what? Guess po ito. Ang ating LV. Ang kapos ng ating LV dyan. Ano po masasabi mo ngayon? Ang kailan yung bagong gawa?
Ayan po, hindi yan po gagawa talagang ano po yan, o lapis,
Kung manawalan niya, kakatato lang po niyan. Isang araw bago kami lumipat papatungo dito. Okay, babalik ko na po ang ating camera. So, nagmamay-ari.
Bunda.
Shout out po pala kay Mama Mel. Mama Mel, how are you fine?
and east to fluff it up. Also, these walls are made of the clay. Down there is a coal. She has to set the fire down there when it gets the coal. And Tone, this place is called Tone, it gets proper temperature. She will stick the dough on the wall of it and it will be baked in just 10 minutes. And the bread will be like this on the shelf. You can see it. So, in the garden you can also take a walk, take beautiful pictures. Outside you can taste the cheese, and if you want to get the new bread, we can wait for it as well. Hello, pali mo coconut. English? English. Oh.
Ano ti ag nila dyan? Edi kwa ti parang Chinese style nga agluto ti kwa. Di ikabida nga ije gili.
Try to device. Flip the this.
Ha? Oh, sure.
Bread. Oh.
Ah, okay.
هم خواستیم ندا قلو قلو متى غني ما تحس ورقة يسرا وراسه
Mentang.
تو يدخل بولون درنا متخرا
Let's pick some fresh apples. Cute. Wow, nice flowers. So mga ka-cherries, andito po tayo ngayon sa garden ni Mama Susan. Alam niyo po yun sa Ilocos kasi may garden si Mama Suso. Let's go there and find out kung anong tanim ni Mama Susan dito. Tara, let's go guys. Grapes. There is a grape. So let's taste it.
Very sweet.
Nice. There you go, Sago. Uy.
Sweet.
Uy, matamis siya in fairness. Walang hugas-hugas.
Kaka-spray lang daw kagabi niyan eh.
Ay, putak.
Just make it
Picturean mo ko. Dito, dito ka. Mami.
Take a picture of yourself. Isn't that amazing?
Sige na, Yes, this is Mama Cherry. She's buying some bread. This one is the cheese. Yung bread na lang ang bilhin mo, huwag na yung cheese. Agpakti ka tumanon. Check mo. Yung bread.
Ito na po yung bread mga ka-cherry.
Yan. Haba-haba po siya ng bread. Pang 3 taon na po yan.
Finished product.
Tapos may cheese po dito. Si Kuya, nagbibenta siya ng cheese. Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa. Yung kontikman kasi baka ano yung ano mo. Masira yung aking tiyan.
Okay lang naman po. Ano siya?
Wala po disan? Okay. Now, tapos na po yung ano natin. First destination natin, which is the bread making. This is
So
already the
after
bread.
this, we are going to the monastery. Bodh Monastery
Yung
is a
babanalig burger.
religious place and it is famous for the grave of Saint Nino. In the 4th century, there was born a girl in Cappadocia, modern Turkey. So in the 1st century, when Jesus Christ was born, he had 12 apostles, 12 students, and one of them was called Andrew the Apostle. And he was sent in Georgia to preach Christianity here. And when he arrived in Georgia, unfortunately, he passed away so soon. And it means that he was not influential enough to convert Georgians to Christians. After that, 3 centuries passed, and from Cappadocia, there was one girl who was called Nino. And since early childhood, she used to learn about the religion. And once she turned 12 years old, she had the vision. In the dream, she was ordered by Virgin Mary to arrive in Georgia and preach Christianity here. And of course, for the first time, it seemed challenging for her because she was just a little girl, but Virgin Mary tried to calm her down and gave her the cross, which was made of the branches of the grapes. Once Nino woke up, she saw exactly same cross on her chest. After that, it took her 2 years preparation to arrive in Georgia because it was so long journey for her. Also, when she arrived in Georgia, she lived many places here and